Yeah, Brian, you remember
Yeah.
we said he's not coming quietly, right?
Yeah, he's
Uh-huh.
coming.
Every
Yeah,
eye was what?
the whole earth will see him.
Everybody will see
Mhm.
him like
Mhm.
lightning come from the east to west. He's
Mhm.
not coming quietly again. Why would
Mhm.
we a waste of resources? Yeah, quietly baby rudi. Quietly away. No, things don't remain the same. The whole earth is turned upside down.
The Bible says there will be a trumpet, a trumpet
Yes,
call. Yeah.
yes. There'll be a
Mm.
trumpet to sound, announcing
Mm.
his coming. And all the angels in the heaven are coming with him. Mungulu angels bameka. Anazo kumba number.
The Bible
There,
says a numerous company of angels. That's what the
you
Yes.
can't
Bible
count
says.
them.
Yes,
Uncountable.
10,000 times 10,000 times thousands upon thousands, thousands. But he's coming with all of them. Heaven is going to be silent when Christ comes to take you and me home. That's how valuable we are in the sight of God. First of all, he was so valuable. He's considered valuable. He was willing to die for us.